challenge videos. These are also fun. You get to interact with your supporters, other content creators, and you just join a whole beautiful family. Like, challenges are definitely the way to go. I got a couple on my channel too, so make sure you check it out.
Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a video idea. So today guys, I will be giving y'all some video ideas if you ever get stuck with having to create a video. So today's video is going to be 25 YouTube video ideas. So guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I post. And let's get these video ideas rolling. So, video idea number 1. Create a intro video. That means create something that's going to draw people in to want to watch your channel. So, find something that you like and record it, edit it, put it out there. People be like, oh, wow, let's go check out your channel. Video number 2. Unboxing products. I love this personally. I have a few unboxing videos on my channel, which I love. The one that I actually love the most is when I unboxed a waffle maker. That video, I was impressed. Like, I did my thing on that one. That one's good because, you know, it gets people interested in what you got going on your channel. Number 3. Useful DIY videos. Those is always a must because there's always somebody out there looking on YouTube to see how to do something. So that would definitely come in handy. Number 4 is pranks. Now, me personally, I don't do pranks on my channel. But, you know, you can never go wrong with a good prank. Number 5 is travel vlogs. Meaning you can take people on around the world where you're going to be at, like vacation or whatever. Vlog it up. Number 6. Healthy cooking videos. Now, there's not a lot of those going around, but it's also great to have because people be wanting to know what recipes is out there, so check it out. Number 6, girlfriend/boyfriend videos. So if you are a couple, starting a couple's channel, this is for you. Number 8 is testimonials. So basically, if you're going through any hardships like losing weight, stuff like that, you can put that out there so people can see how you did it and overcome it. Number 9 is time lapse. So basically, if you're going to look at the sky and watch, do not mind the noise in the background. That is just the radiator going on as always. So if you're going to do like watching the sunset, do a time lapse so people can see the evolution of how the sun changes. Number 10, singing video. This is not for me, but if you can do it, do it. Number 11, video contest. Basically, if you're going to broadcast a contest like whoever wins, whoever eats the fastest amount of peppers and this amount of time win this amount of money. If you got it, do it. Number 12 is magic tricks. That's pretty self-explanatory. Number 13, most amazing things. So if you have something interesting you think that would be great, share it. That's for you. Number 14 is baby videos. People love to watch cute, cuddly babies. Like, that is a given because even still, I like to watch the soap. You got them, put them out there. Animal videos. Like, people like funny videos of animals doing crazy things and cute things. So, put it out there. Movie and book reviews is next. I also like to do those as well. I dabble in a little bit of movie reviews. So make sure you check it out on my channel. And while you're there, like it, subscribe. You know what you gotta do. Next is also hair and makeup tutorials. People love to see how your hair got this way, how you do your makeup. Put it out there. Video interviews. Well, I just recently did one and I found that it was amazing. I had so much fun doing it. You get to learn about people that way as well. If you got it, put it out there. Challenge videos. These are also fun. You get to interact with your supporters, other content creators, and you just join a whole beautiful family. Like, challenges are definitely the way to go. I got a couple on my channel too, so make sure you check it out. Video responses. That's also good. Basically, what you do is you type in a question, and then you have your supporters or other content creators send you feedback on what you think it should go and how it happens, stuff like that, all that other stuff. Yeah. A video tour, which is also kind of like a travel vlog. You take people around, show them around, places you've been and stuff like that. Also good. Then we got bloopers, which is basically all the funny parts of a video that you did not want to put out there. Combine them all into a compilation and put them out there. Next, we got workout video. People always love to say, I'm going to work out after the holidays, stuff like that. You doing it, put it out there, because people could be like, the transformation is real. Definitely. Put it out there. Political videos. Basically, if you like the presidency candidate and stuff like that, policies or whatever, put it out there. Share your thoughts and views on how the president's campaign and stuff is going. And last but not least, movie scene reenactments. If you love a favorite movie and you decide, let me react to it, put it out there and recreate the scene, put it out there. And most importantly, have fun doing what you love to do, because being a content creator is also fun. It also has its downtimes when you just be like, I just can't do it anymore. But find something that inspires you and your passion and just go for it, because you never know until you try. So this basically concludes the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my 25 YouTube video ideas. If you ever get stuck in a jumble, try one out. And until next time, we out of here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, turn on the bell. That way you be notified when I post. And stay tuned for more. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Tryna sell limits.